Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video, and that's about our favorite TV series Heartland. In this episode, we will be talking about the latest news on Sunday's episode 3 of Heartland season 15. So, do watch this video till the end to know everything. The third episode of Heartland is titled as Bad Moon Rising, and here's what we will see in the upcoming episode. The upcoming episode will feature the story that starts with Amy discovering a teen with a gift for horses at Cooper's Horse Therapy Center. Lou is pressured to shut the center down over recent break-ins, and Lisa had Jack install a security system with Parker's help. There's another nice surprise in this Sunday's new episode of Heartland as Chris Potters returns to direct. It's always wonderful to see him in front of and behind the camera. We also remember some of the great work he did last season, and he even wrote a guest blog about it. This episode is written by Ken Crow. When Amy works with a youth at Cooper's Horse Therapy Center, she is surprised to discover a teen with an inherited gift for horses. Meanwhile, Lou gets pressured by some of her son's pillars of the community to close Cooper Center down over a rash of recent burglaries, and Lisa had Jack install a security system with Parker's help. What could go wrong? Don't miss it this Sunday at 7:30 NT on CBC and CBC Gem. Similarly, in other Heartland news, executive producer Michael Weinberg is back with another Heartland talk show. This week, he talks to Bay McPherson, who recently joined to play Katie this season. The trailer of Heartland Season 15, Episode 3 seems to be more promising. In the new episode trailer, we saw a group of kids coming to the Heartland Ranch. A guy whose identity remained secret tells Amy that she would like the kids and can be useful in bringing them some A's. This means that there is an expectation from Amy to discipline the kids. It is obvious that Amy will be reluctant to accept such an offer since this is not her expertise. We believe that the guy who brought the kids thought that hanging around the horses and observing that the ranch life requires a lot of discipline and order would be impactful on the kids. It is clear that the children are in a little bit of trouble since the next scene shows us they're fighting. They probably need some mentor figures in their life to be influential on their upbringing. So in this new episode, we will probably see Amy trying to fit into that role. Since she is a mother, we believe she would be pretty good at handling the kids' problems. However, we are not sure if the kids would be willing to comply with her. It is certainly a difficult task for Amy to handle, but we believe she would be great at this. We also saw Lisa and Jack chatting about the ongoing break-ins. The issue of the robberies have been an ongoing topic this season as we have been witnessing them since the initial trailer of the season. However, there is no development on the issue. We don't know who the criminals are. We don't know if the police are advancing in their research of finding them or not. It is getting a little bit frustrating to have questions raised on such a basic plot. Maybe we would get lucky in this episode. Similarly, Lisa tells Jack in the trailer that the girls, who are probably Katie, Lindy, and Parker, are asking questions about the robberies. Jack gets worried about this and tells her that they have to talk to the girls and let them know that they are safe. Although it is great for Jack to be such a strong grandfather, it is a little bit questionable to see he is so confident that they are all safe. And at the end of the teaser, we can see that Amy and Lindy are hanging around in nature, watching a beautiful horse. Since the last episode, Amy was never around Lindy, so we hope that episode 3 is about time to see them together. We are expecting the two of them to have long conversations about Ty in this episode. Whenever they hang out alone, they always talk about Ty. It looks cute to see Lindy honoring her father all the time, but it is also very sad to see a little girl constantly being reminded of the tragic death of her father. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. so visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.